If 1,000 people walked into your store and only 10 people bought, you'd think something was wrong. You wouldn't just let that happen. So why are you doing that with your website, with your business? 95% of your website traffic isn't visible. Here's how to fix that. So whatever service you provide, whether you're an injury lawyer, you do HVAC, roofing, whatever it is, you probably have a website people go to book an estimate, to book an appointment. Most of those people are not doing anything. They visit and they leave, right? So you're paying for that traffic. Don't be okay losing it. So out of all the traffic you pay for, only a very small percentage opt in. That means you're losing out on a lot of people. We know that nowadays people need multiple touch points to get across the line. We know people get distracted, all kinds of reasons why people wouldn't opt in, and they're lost forever until today. So on a basic funnel, you get 1,000 visitors, 50 click around, they read, 20 fill a form, 980 people leave with absolutely no trace. So that's $2,000 you spent on ads, SEO, whatever it may be, gone, right? Only a small percentage of that actually goes to use. Over 95% of your money is burnt and goes away. So, you're selling a high ticket product, so you're happy because you're still making a profit, but you're leaving so much money on the table that could be fixed with a small piece of technology. So we use behavioral, cookie, and cross-device data to identify anonymous site visitors. Big words to mean that we put a little script on your website, takes 10 minutes to install a little piece of code, and we actually are able to get the data of all the people that didn't opt in. We send them an email and we send them a postcard, and it only costs you $2 per lead. Okay? So a visitor lands on the site, our script identifies them, you get their data, and we actually automatically follow up with email and a postcard. Okay? So a basic funnel, you get 2K ad spend, you spend 1,000 visitors, 50 click on something, 20 fill a form. So that's 20 booked appointments you'd get out of 1,000 people. With lead unmasking, at least 25% would be identified. So 250 people get identified, contacted with email and direct mail for only $2 per lead. Okay? So we're booking about 10% of people. Okay? It could be more, but this is like on average. So at 10% booked, that's an extra 25 booked appointments for an extra $500. Okay? So here you're spending $2K to get 20 booked appointments. Okay? $100 a booked appointment. And that's on the low end. In your industry, you're probably paying more. So just take that in. This number doesn't change. So it's always going to cost you about $20 to $40 to book an appointment with lead unmasking, because it's a flat fee of $2 per lead. You don't actually pay more with scale. So that's why this is really important to put into your site. It takes 10 minutes to do, guys. So 2K ad spend, 20 booked appointments, or 2.5K ad spend for 45 booked appointments. Either you're paying $100 a booked appointment or $55.50 per booked appointment, all in total. What would you rather pay? Right? So you already have the leads, you're already getting traffic, you're already spending money on ads. You just can't see the people that want your services but didn't opt in. So go to Unmask Leads today, book a call, let's set it up. It takes 10 minutes to set up. There's no minimum, no setup fee, anything. Literally free to set up to get the data, right? Obviously, if you want the emails and the postcards and all that, that's a different conversation. But let's have a chat and check out our site. There's the ROI calculator where you can actually put in your traffic, you can put in your close rate, your revenue per client, and you can see how much money you would make with Unmask Leads.